Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by narrowing to one buyer persona and one channel. This prevents scatter. Once done, build a focused lead magnet that solves a single urgent problem so people exchange contact info. Make sure your landing page has a single call to action, fast load, and a short form, 3 fields max. Then, launch a small paid test or targeted organic blast to validate response rates. Track cost per lead and initial conversion. These metrics tell you whether to scale or iterate. Once you capture leads, deploy an automated drip that delivers value and progressively asks for engagement. This builds trust and uncovers intent. Make sure to score prospects using engagement, profile fit, and actions like pricing clicks. This prioritizes outreach. Use chatbots to answer quick questions and route high-score leads to a short 5-10-minute qualifying call. This saves time and boosts close rates. Track movement through the funnel so you can tweak messaging, timing, and lead scores for better efficiency. You finalize by focusing on conversions and unit economics. Test one variable at a time so results are clear. Once done, scale winning ads gradually while monitoring CPA and lifetime value to ensure profitable growth. Make sure to rotate creatives and refresh offers to prevent fatigue and maintain clean tracking so attribution stays accurate. If performance drops, audit tracking, audience overlap, and creative frequency first. Those 3 usually explain sudden decline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.